What is going on, guys? It's your boy Diego Perez. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're actually gonna go be riding. Today we're gonna be going out to Outback ATV Park in Lauren, North Carolina. Lauren, something like that. Anyways, we're going out to Lauren, North Carolina. Gonna be riding out with the boys, with the guys. I've never actually been here. It's my first time. Gonna see how it goes. See, you know, if it's as nice as Carolina or Broken Nut. They said they like it more, so we're gonna go and check it out. It's a little bit before 7. I'm a little tired, if you can't tell. And gonna get everything loaded down. I'm gonna meet BRAYDON Price and them down there, but I'm gonna drive and take another buddy with me. So I'm gonna start the truck, load up my bike, and then go pick him up. And then we're actually gonna go pick up his bike from an ATV mechanic. He actually just got it. He actually just got the rad kit and the snorkels done. So I guess he's gonna put them to the test, and hopefully they work, you know, because if not, somebody's gonna be in trouble. So enjoy the video. It's gonna be a banger. Let's do it. I gave it a rinse down from last ride, since last ride. I got almost everything. I'll probably have to come back for some other stuff, but it's fine. So, for Outback, it actually says that it's not supposed to rain until about 1 o'clock. But at 1 o'clock, it's gonna be 30%. And then at 2 o'clock, it's 30% as well. But at 4 o'clock, it says that it's 40% with chances of a thunderstorm. Be there by 10, 11, 12. I mean, so even if it rains at 3, that's still like 5 hours of riding. So gotta put these ramps back up. Ramps are stupid heavy. I'm sorry, they're just stupid heavy. All right, now. Ah, shoot. It dropped mud on me. All right. Need the pin. We'll die without the pin. Need to scoot this one over. Oh shoot! All right. Got the 4-wheeler up. Got the ramps up. Got it hooked up. Just gotta strap it down from the front, and we'll be ready to ride. All right, we stopped for diesel. Stopped to fill up the bikes. Here's Sergio's 2019 Kodiak 700 with a new high lifter, rad, relocate, and the snorkels. How you like it, Serge?
Alright.
It's alright? I like it a lot, actually. And we are out of here, waiting for BRAYDON Price. Finish up, we might just ride to his house. I'm gonna text him and ask him if he wants me to meet him at his house or meet somewhere else. But I'll pick you guys up if we do that, or if anything else interesting or cool pops up. Just arrived at the BRAYDON Price compound. We got Miller, BRAYDON, JP. Let's see what's up. JP. Oh shoot!
Slides of all the shoes in his rain. You gotta stay clean. You gotta stay looking clean, man.
For sure.
The black Birks, bro.
Ooh, call the Jesus sandals.
Ooh, flex.
Straight out of Mexico.
Straight out of Mexico. You look out of your eye.
Oh, hold on, retake. There we go.
Howdy, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah.
Let's do this. I bet, man. It's tough.
Stop at a Walmart to get him a jacket.
Hey, you want to stop at the one down 74? Because we got to go down 74 either way. All right. For the channel, we stopped at Walmart because JP needed a jacket. I don't know if he wants a waterproof one or if he just didn't bring one, but there he is walking inside. Look at him. Braydon's gonna fill up. We actually already filled up earlier, so we don't have to, so we're just gonna go ahead and park, wait for JP to come out, and hopefully get some breakfast before we get there, man, because I'm pretty hungry. Overall, just have a good day riding today. So, pick you guys up for any other updates. Probably not until we get there, so. Ladies and gents, we are here. Look at these dudes. These dudes are some straight peanut butter, baby. Oh, heck no. Is this deep? It shouldn't be, right? Ooh. Throw it on forward drive just in case. I tell you, man, you can't be too sure, especially when you've never been somewhere. My first time here, man. This is peanut butter. Hooked out and rolling. Waist deep down there. Man, I would want to, but I couldn't. That's way too much for me.
Hey, when I walked in it went right there.
My God. They call this man Snorkel Sergio. Right, making sure the view's good. Is this deep? You think it's deep? Man, I just never been to these spots before. I just don't know. Where is... Oh! Oh, heck no. There's the show. It was like a foot deep and it dropped down to like 4. Nah, baby. See? I'm not saying I'm scared.
I just don't know these holes. It shouldn't be deep, right? You ready? Outback. Outback Steakhouse. I want to see him hit these holes before I go. Oh, shoot. Boy, if you don't get There we go, Sergio. Show him up. It's not deep.
It's not bad.
Look. No. What's this? It's nothing.
It's nothing.
It's nothing for the big 700.
Got it.
Hours later.
Took it too slow. Let's take a seat. Back it up, Terry. It was 30% rain at 1. Now it's 90% rain at 1. And then by the looks of it, you can just, bro, it's gonna be crazy. Oh man, it's about to get nasty. I didn't bring a jacket though, so I might just leave. It starts pouring because I did not come prepared for this. It just got dark, huh? It just like out of nowhere, it just got dark again.
Yo, it just. Oh, look, the storm isn't brewing. So we just took a shot with the camera. Camera cut off, soaking wet right here, and then it just got so dark. I mean, GoPro shut off from water, big camera shut off from water.
Outback's giving me a bad vibe. I don't like this. What you think about it, Sergio? What's up? Is that the rain? Oh shit. I'm bouncing, baby. Oh yeah.
Here's the rain, boy. Alright, never mind. Hey, never mind. It can't happen.
What?
It's on the roll.
Oh shoot, it hurts! Let's wait for Braydon here. We'll send it next to him. Come on, baby! Woo! I got one on it.
Watch out! Oh, come on. Oh, it hurt so bad.
It did. I wanted to open my eyes, but I couldn't.
I couldn't open my eyes at all. You want to go to the shack? Is there cover? Got an overhang? The big one? Yeah.
Who's in the JP? Boys.
Miller, if you had the camera, God, that was going to be cold as hell.
Hey man, it's not cold out there.
It's not even that cold. It's really not. Now, if it was like 30 and rain. Woo!
Oh my God!
It's out here thunderstorming. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but
Look at all the water coming down.
probably gonna have to leave, but I don't know.
It's starting to flood, look.
Probably gonna wait until it stirs down a little bit, then load up the four-wheelers unless I want to ride in the rain. I don't know. It's up to them, but down for whatever. Keep you guys updated on what happens. Hopefully we don't die. Hurricane, four-wheeler. Peace out.
You loaded up first, Joe?
Yes, sir. Unless you, you go ahead. We're leaving. Man, my first time here. I was here for like 2 hours and then it poured down. But definitely fun. The holes were just a little, honestly, a little too big for me. I mean, well, at least what we saw, it could have been a lot more. We didn't see everything here, you know. All right, guys, we're back at the truck. We got everything all loaded up. They're just strapping it down now, and we're about to head out. Got everything strapped in. Can I say, we didn't expect the day to turn out like this, but I mean, it is what it is. We came out knowing it was gonna be like 30-40% rain, and ended up being 100% rain, right, Miller? But it's cool. Still sends it, had fun. Kind of sucks we have to load up and leave, you know. But like I said, it's first time here at Outback. Wasn't bad. Kind of fun. We only got to ride for like 2 hours or something like that. But we're gonna head home. It's probably the end of the video. Kind of sucks we gotta roll out. As always, if you liked it, make sure to like it, subscribe, share, and comment. And peace. I know I had to cancel the video, but so you guys know, we are putting on bigger tires on the 570 soon. And rad relocate and snorkels coming soon as well.
putting bigger tires and getting a HMF, I think it's called a Super Swamp XL or something like that. We have a lot of plans for this ATV, a lot of plans for the Polaris. And if you guys have a name for it, actually drop it down in the comments, something that we should call it. But you know, as always, thank you guys. And if you guys have any other suggestions or ideas for videos that you would like to see, or you know, just things that you would want to see done to the quad, whatever the name is gonna be, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And as always, peace.